Wala gin sabat ni Senador Panfilo Lacson ang bisan nga interpellation halin sa iya kaparehong mga senador pagkatapos sa iya privilege speech kango sa flood control scandal. Gin question naman ni Senador Dante Marcoleta ang pagpalibad ni Lacson nga magpa-interpellate. Para kay Marcoleta, hindi ini kinaandan nga requirement kag daw nagabutang sang limitasyon sa naandan nga proseso sa interpellation sa Senado.
President, may I ask Senator Lacson if he wishes to yield some questions by way of interpellation?
Senator Lacson,
I'll say it again, Mr. President. Until the partial committee report is submitted or filed with the Bills and Index Division, and until after I have sponsored the partial committee report, I'm not yielding the floor.
Mr. President, that is very highly unusual. Why would Senator Lacson make a precondition that the partial report should be signed by at least a majority of its members before he can yield the interpellation?
yes.
Ginpatag naman ni Senate President Vicente Soto III ang kada senador mayara sang kinamataro nga magpili kung magsabat o kung hindi sa interpellation kagabahin ini sa madugay na nga practice sa Senado. Ginkumpara pa niya ini sana ginhimo ni former Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago nga masami wala nagabaton sa interpellation sa iya mga privilege speech.
May I place on record that it is the prerogative of any member of the Senate to yield or not yield. As a matter of fact, in my many years here, Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago, and I'm sure Senator De Estrada is well aware of this, who was with me. Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago, every time she delivers a privilege speech, does not entertain any interpellation.
Yes,
And
Mr.
it is her-
President, but
it
this
her
is
prerogative.
this is different.
And then,
Because if
as I said, it is the prerogative of Senator Santiago, and it is likewise the prerogative of Senator Lacson, because he wants that, as he mentioned, he wanted that his partial committee report be reported out and sponsored before he can answer any questions to that effect.
Sanday Senate President Vicente Tito Soto III kag Senador Dante Marcoleta.